I can do that. It's on recording now.
Thank you. Okay, then I got to start talking now. Okay, everybody ready? Today we are going to draw, because today was Kara Day on November. It's celebrating beautiful, beautiful women. We're going to draw beautiful, beautiful women today. Your mommies, your sisters, your parties, your attes, your aunties, your chittis. It can be anybody, your girlfriends. It can be anybody. Okay, so we're going to draw beautiful, beautiful women. So your paper needs to be as tall as a tree. Portrait. Have your papers in portrait. Pencils, erasers. Ready? Okay, so we're going to start with right in the middle. Turn my light. Yes, no shadows. Right in the middle, I'm going to draw a small circle. The size of a tiny orange, like a halo orange, tiny halo orange. Not a giant navel orange, a tiny halo orange. Anu, kaila paper pencil kana? No, you have it. Anu is sitting. Oh, Anu finished her halo orange. She's sitting and watching me. She has all the supplies. Oh my God, she has supplies for everybody there. She has an artist kit. That's why. Now, you did the orange. Now we're going to bring it down like a cone. So the basic shape that remains is this. And then you erase the inside of the circle. What you have is this. Almost like a guitar pick. That's kind of the shape you're going for. Oh, hi, Anurag. I didn't see you there. Napundala.
ഇന്ന് അപ്പുനെ പിടിച്ചിരുത്തി
നന്നായി
അപ്പുന് ഇഷ്ടം draw ചെയ്യാൻ. He likes to, so but then this is also the play time, right? When the weather is good, they go out.
Yes, Geeta auntie is encroaching on people's playtime.
No, that's okay. They can always play later.
Once you're done with this, we're going to divide it lengthwise into half. Draw as light as possible. I'm drawing a little darker so that you can see it. Again, divide it into half. So you got to have something that looks like the shield.
That looks like a gem.
It does. Yes, it does look like a gem. I agree. Now, on either side of this, I'm going to draw 2 lines. What am I drawing these lines for? Yes, the bridge of your nose, your beautiful long nose. Followed by a nostril. See, this is how I did the nostril. I need my kannadi. Then from this bridge, I'm going to curve and draw the eyebrows. Now we're going to mark the middle of this distance, the distance from the tip of the nose till the chin. Just mark it lightly. That's where the mouth is usually placed. And right there, I'm going to draw a smile, a tiny smile. You see that? That smile? Once you're done that smile, we're going to make it into nice lips. Look at that. Look at the shape of the lips. So it's like a flattened M on the top. The upper lip is like a flattened M, and the lower lip is like a flower pot, maybe. Now, under the eyebrows, you're going to follow the same shape. Then you can gently erase the lines that you gave. So you should have a face that looks like that. Now, you see the top of the head? That's not our hairline. You know that, right? The top of the head is right here where your fontanelle is. That's that place. So your hairline is slightly below that. So you have to come around here and mark a dot. And then from there, watch what I do. It's as if a hair is growing from the top of her head and falling all the way down, but that's not her hair, mind it.
Sangeeta, can you repeat the previous sentence?
Yeah, this thing, this top of the egg, that's your fontanelle, this place, your soft spot on the head. So you don't have, your hair doesn't start from there. It grows about an inch lower. So you have to bring it at least a centimeter lower, and there you put a dot, and then you draw this line. So when you draw a regular face also, when you draw a circle for a regular face, you have to remember the top of that thing, the circle, is not the beginning of your hairline. It's the top of your head. So always remember that. So you got to bring it a little lower. So if you are drawing a regular face, so if this is your circle for your regular face, you first divide it into half, divide the top into half, divide the bottom into half. This is how your face is. So this is where the eyes go. This is where your nose ends. This is where your mouth is. That's where your hair begins. And that's how you draw a face. This is the top of your head. This is not the beginning of your hairline.
Thank you for that tip.
It's super easy to draw a face, by the way. Now you have that. Now from here, I'm going like this. I know she looks a little weird. Don't worry, we'll fix her up. Then from the top of her head, I'm going to bring more lines like this. And then again, beyond that, erase and fix this. And you're just drawing random lines inside. That's actually the part of the sari that the Indian women wear on top of their head. And now I'm erasing the lines that you can see, the headlines that you can see inside that. You should have something that looks like this. Stepping out, my mom is watching the drawing. Okay, awesome.
Can you pause for a minute?
Absolutely, I can wait. You take your time and catch up.
Mm,
If I draw it upside down always, I want it to be a little more.
Sangeeta, the topmost line is above the original oval,
Yes.
correct?
Yeah, the middle line is where your head is, the top of your head is.
Okay.
That thing is going even further. Your dupatta is going even further. See, when you put that chunni or odni over your head, it doesn't lay flat on your head. It crumples up. So that's what that is. So
Meera,
when you start coloring it, you'll figure it out. Till then, it looks
Yes,
a little
ma'am.
weird. Yeah.
it's the heroines when we watch movies.
Yeah, exactly. You know, Sharmila Tagore used to have the coconut inside her hair. I know I'm growing old when I need glasses to see the paper and I need to take the glasses off to see the screen. Means I need bifocals, right?
I didn't know I'm getting glasses.
Are you?
Yeah,
Whoa.
because when I grow up, the doctor said that I won't be seeing anything well.
Oh, you'll be seeing things. You may just not be able to see very, very tiny things. That's all.
I won't be able to see anything. I'll become blind.
Oh, you'll not become blind, you silly goose.
And I'm gonna get my glasses in 3 weeks.
Awesome. Did you pick your glasses out already? Did you pick what color you wanted?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Now, if you're done till here, we're going to give her a very long, elongated giraffe neck. So I'm going to turn the paper to the side so that makes it easier to draw.
I did it.
Good job. Now draw 2 lines here to connect it. And one side like that. And I'm going to bring one of the sari lines inside like this, like her pallu. So there you have it.
Is it just us or I see it froze? It was ശരിയായി.
Oh, was it frozen? No, it was not
appeared
frozen.
frozen. Okay.
So you can bring your line all the way till the end of the paper. I'm going to give this lady a nice round nose ring. And then a very beautiful Mang Tika.
What's a Mang Tika?
I don't know what it's called in Telugu, but we call it Netichuti. Can you see my Mang Tika?
Mukati.
Mukati is the one that you wear on your nose.
I know that.
Yeah, I'm wearing a Mukati too. Not as big as this lady though.
It's Muk.
Yeah, she's wearing a Mukati, she's wearing Male, and she's wearing the Netiti.
That's easy to draw.
Mhm. I'm just adding more lines to make it easier. And then on this side, I'm going to give her a nice jhumke wali earring. So I'm going to give her something that goes like this. There it is. कृपया विष्णुं शुक्लनाकुलेक्षणं विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यं उवाच मधुसूदनः श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमेदमुपस्थितम् अनादिजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यं कीर्तिकरमर्जुन क्लैब्यं वास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्त्वा तिष्ठ परन्तप. Done. Now we're going to move on to the next phase. Right next to it, on her this side, I'm drawing another orange. It makes it easier for me to keep it upside down. I'm so used to drawing upside down now, I don't know how to draw right side up anymore. Okay. Do the exact same thing for the face. The accessories you can change. When we come to the third phase, I'm going to show you a new neat trick.
Can you stop a little bit?
I stopped. I froze.
Is the second head smaller than the bigger main head?
Not exactly. It can be the same size. See, you can draw it any which way you want. So only thing is what changes is the perspective, how you see it. If you have a bigger head, it means that face is closer to you. If it's a tiny head, you feel that the face is away from you.
How
That's
do
the
we
only thing
want
that's
us
going to change.
to do it?
Yeah?
How do you want us to make it?
You can make it any way you want. Mine is almost the same size as this head, but slightly lower than that. If you notice, she's slightly shorter than her.
Okay.
Did I hear you say that there's going to be another phase?
Yep, on this side.
Okay. I think I can fit another phase in there, or shall I start
Wait,
again?
let me see. Let me see. I can't see you. I need to go back to you. I can't see still. Bring it forward.
Oh,
Yeah, you can easily fit another face.
yeah.
That looks
Okay.
very nice, Meera.
Thank you.
बढ़िया बढ़िया.
लंबी चौड़ी हो गई थोड़ी सी, पर चलेगा.
अच्छा ये सारे लंबे चौड़े लोग ही हैं.
कोई बात नहीं,
If you
चलेगा.
notice, आजकल के सारे बच्चे ऐसे ही हो रहे हैं. They're all growing like giraffes upwards. The other day, I called my daughter Ottaga Pakshi. Ottaga Pakshi in Malayalam means ostrich. In Tamil also it means ostrich, which she does not know. So she got so offended by it. She came and said, "You just called me a camel bird. There is nothing called a camel bird. Ottagam in Tamil means camel and Pakshi means bird." She was very offended by it.
We'll ask Shiva uncle to cover that in the topic Tamil
But
class.
that mine is not in Tamil class, right? So there you go.
Today's Tamil class was pretty interesting. He's teaching vegetables and fruits. And kids were asking, do you put that in sambar or not?
Oh, nice. Nice.
I was like, whoa.
Kids know what goes into sambar.
Yummy.
Yeah, right. Sambar is yummy.
And spicy. I love spicy.
I'm glad you like spicy. I like spicy too. Raghu, do you like spicy food?
I hate it
How come you hate it?
because it's so yuck. Because it makes me cough.
Oh, don't eat green chilies directly. Eat something that's not as spicy that makes you cough.
The only thing I don't like that spicy is green chilies and red chilies. And this is called a big horse. Big horse needs some horse. One horse needs really big legs. Which horse has big legs?
I don't know.
Horse?
The one that's big, that has big legs, obviously.
Here, this one.
Yeah, I said. See, I got
Look
it.
at these legs. This is the baby horse. This baby horse only has small legs. This has big legs, so it stomps.
From somebody who was always grunting, he went on to talk like non-stop sentences now.
I know.
Right? He would just go,
Horses
mm. My second time in Memorial Day camp, he was just one big tiny laddu.
Yeah, he
We
would
were
not
throwing him
talk
up in the
for a
sky and
very
catching him.
second.
Madam,
Madam, I have one small question.
Yeah,
He
go ahead.
he would talk so little, and now he is non-stop.
I know, he's non-stop. Go ahead, Meera.
Catching
You got a
up.
question?
Yeah, your when you dissected the face.
Mhm. Let me
where
show you
you
again.
put the line.
Watch. Draw a circle.
Uh-huh.
Draw a circle.
Yeah,
Draw your V shape.
oval. Okay.
Yeah, make it like that.
Mhm.
Then you erase this inner thing.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you dissect it straight lengthwise up,
Mhm.
breadthwise,
Okay.
and the middle here.
Mira, keep doing this for the rest of the week.
This, you know what? Once you know this technique, it makes it so much easier to draw. It makes it so much fun to draw. See, this is what I keep doing all the time. When I have some class and I'm bored, I keep drawing these things. See, you can change the direction where they look just by doing this. You change this thing here, you bring it in the middle. See, the nose comes here, the mouth goes here. Automatically,
Oh my
automatically the
God,
look
look at
changes.
that.
Yeah, the same thing you can do with the other side. See, that's all. But if you
Unbelievable.
want the person to look down, straight down, you draw a circle, straight down, you bring this line downwards. See, it looks like he's looking down. The same thing you can do for looking up.
Amazing.
The same thing you can have side looking down, side looking up, this side looking down, this side looking up. It's interesting to see. Then you can have the mouth open, mouth closed. There's so much you can do with this. But this is the basic structure.
I'm
Sangeeta,
still stuck at the nose.
When you give the picture of this front one, give the picture of the back one also.
Sure, why not?
So that way we can practice.
Yeah, please practice. This is wonderful to do. This is a very nice thing to do. See,
And
those who
Manju,
have
I'll be
watched
honest with
Avatar on
you.
Netflix, has anybody seen Avatar: The Last Airbender on Netflix? Pretty much every kid on the planet has. I have seen it like million times. See, the easiest thing to draw is Avatar because he has the roundest face
Round
ever.
face.
So
Exactly.
you go like this.
Raghav, how to draw a face.
Oh my
this
God.
one.
Sangeeta, this is awesome.
There's Ang for you.
That's it. He's ready.
That's it.
Oh, wow.
That's Ang.
Avatar. Yeah,
Fantastic.
That's Ang. You got Ang.
perfect. It's exactly the same.
Yep. It's the easiest
Very
thing to draw.
nice.
Now coming back to this face, this time I want her dupatta to come a little lower than usual. So although you have your hairline here, this is going to be your hairline, this is the top of the hair. I want the dupatta to come a little lower. So I'm going to go like this. So I'm going to go over her eye a little bit and then pull it down. It looks weird, I know. We'll figure it out. It looks like there's hair growing out of her forehead now. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase the entire top of her head to make more sense. Then you can start drawing all those other lines.
Can you stop for a minute?
Sure. I'll stop just after I'm done with this earring thing. And then you can just copy it off. It makes it easier for you too. There you go. I stopped.
So Sangeeta, why do you have one side earring only? Just curious.
It just doesn't show. I just feel like it doesn't show through. You can
Okay.
have earrings on both sides.
Got it. Got it. So if you
Yeah.
have space, you could use it as well.
Yeah, if you have space. Basically, the Rodney is coming so close to the face.
Sure.
And the tendency of these people will be to hold the Rodney one side towards the face like this, covering half of their cheeks, so that you actually don't get to see the inside.
Got it. Got
Yeah,
it.
I was explaining it to some other kids the other day, and they asked, why do they need to put cloth on their head? So I said, just it's how they express their modesty. And then the kids asked me, so do you think we are not modest enough? Us not covering our head, is it not modest enough? I said, it's perspective. It depends on what you want to show, what you don't want to show. That's it.
Yeah.
If you're comfortable showing your hair to the people, go ahead, do it. If you're not, don't do it. That's it.
Sangeeta, I have a question. So my
Sure.
two faces came a little bit far apart.
Yeah, you can just add more cloth in between. That's it. Add layers of textile.
That's it.
Yeah, just add lots and lots of textile.
But where would it come from if I have to add it? It's
Just,
not
you know
going to be
what?
one more layer, right? It's just
Yeah,
going to
don't
be
add one more
continuously.
layer. Do you see the top of the headline?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
So somewhere go down a little bit, and from there, see, I'm going to give her a little more depth on that cloth. There you go.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Like that. You can keep adding more. And you can give more folds wherever you feel like. It's your drawing. It can be, she can wear whatever you want her to wear.
Well, what? Where's my pencil?
I don't know.
Oopsies.
Charvik, can I see your paper?
Yes.
Nice. I can see it. Very good. Do you're playing with your horses? Who is drawing your ladies?
Rather, who's drawing your ladies?
You.
He's not too happy that he can't wait for his turn to come.
Yeah, he'll do the coloring part. It's a joint venture.
Yeah.
Appu showing his
Yeah,
Sangeeta.
wait 1 second. Let me see. Wait. Let me come to Appu. Appu, oh,
I like
nice.
my-
Appu, I like it.
I like my first lady. I don't like my second.
People are different, man. You gotta like the way they came. That's it.
Proportion and see.
Wait, now, let me come back to your screen. Oh, that's very nice. Let's come back.
But
Oh,
in
yeah,
the
that's fine. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Some people are skinny. Some people are like me. It happens. Some people are like Amita. It happens. Look at her face.
But where is the bindi for both?
No, you can give bindi afterwards. If you put bindi right now, when you start coloring it, it'll mess up the whole thing.
Okay,
Another
gotcha.
thing is, this
Think
is
about,
basically
Amita,
the
when you are
North Indian
dressing up.
gaon wale people, they don't wear bindis.
Yeah, normally
yeah.
they won't wear bindis.
Yeah,
Normally
they'll have their gungat pulled all the way to their nose. I lived in
I know,
Delhi
and
with
then
a
they have
bunch of
this
Haryani
Mang
people. They'll wear their gungat all the way till their nose. And I'm like, how do they see
Nose.
where they're walking? And they don't want to hang on to their dupatta all the time, the gungat all the time. They'll have it inside their teeth. They'll bite it on the edge of their teeth and walk around.
Yeah,
With
they'll bite
pots
it.
and pots of water at the same time.
Natural sunscreen.
Yeah.
Also, Anika, the bindi comes in the end, right? We put the bindi in the end. When
Yeah.
we are getting makeup, bindi comes last.
Yeah, even for
Yeah, I
Bharatanatyam
know.
makeup, the Bharatanatyam makeup, the
Okay.
teacher insisted, don't put bindi in the first thing because I am so used to putting pottu first. I just slapped the pottu
First.
first on her face and he said, no, that's the last thing that comes. He said, do her hair first. So I learned it. I had to unlearn and relearn everything.
Good.
So everybody's done with these two ladies? Anshu, show me your
Yes.
ladies. Anshu.
My ladies look like zombies.
Wait, let me see. Where is Anu? Anu. I have to go around.
So-
Oh, Anshu, I like yours. Nice. Let me look at. Oh, I like it. Anu, your ladies look very nice.
They look okay. They look not like Indian at all.
That doesn't matter. Just make their smile a little more smiley. That's all. They look a
Ah.
little pissed off at something.
Next stop.
They look like they smelled fart or something. Their face looks like scrunched up like that. Something smells disgusting.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, the way I do smile,
See,
is like,
Oh,
Mira,
nice. Meera, very nice.
cute.
See, to make it smiley, that's what I said. The easiest way to make a person's mouth smile is first draw the smile. Just draw the smile first. Like how we were taught to draw a smiley face, just draw that smile. And then you add. And then you add. That makes it smile. If you draw a straight line, she's going to look pissed off.
I know. How is she? Is mine smiling? You know?
Yours is smiling. I can't see very clearly, but she's kind of smiling. She's kind of the vibe. But that's okay.
Because her face is long, I had to make her mouth also like.
Yeah. That's probably because she's still hungry, maybe. She's so skinny. Now we're going to draw
Nobody
the
flipping.
third lady. Ready? Everybody ready for the third lady?
Yes.
First lady, second lady. Now we're going to do the third lady. The third lady is going to be one of these, turning to the other side. She's not going to look straight into the camera. She's like one of those kids in the classroom when you try to take a picture and one has to turn somewhere else and never look at the camera. She's one of those. So ready? So I'm going to draw a circle, my orange circle. See, the process is exactly the same. Only the shape changes. I mean, only the middle thing changes. Then turn it around and make her cone. Once you have that cone ready, you erase the inside line. And then I'm going to turn her face this way. Do you see that? Looks more like the football that they play in this country.
It looks like a basketball.
Basketball doesn't have a pointy thing at the end.
Oh yeah, it looks like a football.
Exactly what I said. And draw that middle line. See, now what you have to remember is, see how it's taking 1/3 of the space on one side and 2/3 on the other side. You have to remember not to make the eye go all the way here. The eye is not that big. It does not go from the middle of your nose to the back of your head. It does not. This is kind of like the back of her head. So you have to mark a middle line here too. So your eye will kind of stop there. And then you're going to draw the eyebrow like this. And then for this, I'm going to draw a simple nose. See?
Oh man, that doesn't even look good, my nose.
If you don't want to draw this nose, you can go back to this nose, but it cannot be straight. That you have to remember because she's sideways. It has to have the tiny curve.
Okay, it's
Yeah, she can't look like she can't look like she was in a boxing match or something. Her nose can't be squashed or can't be broken and crooked. No boxing here.
And then one eyebrow.
Yeah. Did you draw the eyebrow?
Yeah.
And now give her the beautiful mouth. Again, start with the smile. I feel like my chin is too big. I'm going to make it a little smaller.
wish you were on the coloring right now.
We will after we are done. And if you notice, because she's turned a little that side, you can't see the edge of her eye. So you got to leave it open at the end like this. Do you see that? What I did? I brought it as close to the camera as possible.
Yeah, good.
Now on the other side, the other eye remains kind of the same thing. This way she'll look like she's looking the other side.
Got it. Lovely. Yeah.
You got her looking the other side now?
Yeah.
Very good.
1 second now, can I color, Amma?
Not yet, Amma. She's motte. She needs hair.
Maybe I can make hair. I can make hair.
Sure.
Yeah, we're not making hair. We're making the same the sari pallu. So again, what you're going to do is you're going to find that hairline, and from there you're going to leave that spot a little bit. Leave the hairline spot there. That's where the hairline is. Slightly above. I'm going to turn this to make it come inside her face like this. Do the same thing on the other side.
Put a small dot.
And then again go around.
How long? How long?
Then I'm going to give her the monk tika, and that's her hairline. I'm going to fix her hairline.
Oh. How do you got that?
What did I draw? The
It's
thing on the top of her head?
yeah.
See, we did exactly what I did here, except it's all to one side. It's mostly onto one side. And this time, again, you have to remember, she's turning that way. So her neck is not going to be staring forward. So it's going to go slightly like this. I'm going to make her kapada a little more this way, so that it covers most
This
of it.
picture this picture looks like Mother Teresa.
Yeah, right? Even I felt so. After I drew it, I felt like she looks like Mother Teresa.
Without that chutti, she'll look like Mother Teresa.
Yeah, it's basically because of that the head wrap. But once we color it, she'll stop looking like Mother Teresa.
Maybe a skinny one though. Skinny one.
Yeah, Mother Teresa was actually quite skinny, but then
What do you mean as skinny?
yeah.
What do you mean as skinny?
Skinny means very, very thin, super duper thin.
Sangeeta, can you show how to make the neck again of the side one? Okay.
Side one, just curve it a little bit.
Okay.
Don't draw a straight line, just curve it a little bit, slightly, not too much. Don't make her look like, she does look like a giraffe, but still. She looks like the camel bird, if I may say so. And then I'm going to give her some long earrings this time. Something like this.
Uncle got a few things in the back.
What did you forget?
I don't know. I'm gonna put a few things in the back of the ladies.
Back of the ladies. Yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a very Rajasthani kind of sky, golden looking. So I'm going to leave it like that. See, I already did a prototype for you guys. So here it is. This is how they are going to look at the end.
Wow.
Wow, that's stunning.
Really, it's going to look like that. I don't think so.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
going to look even better than this.
Sangeeta, is it crayon or paint?
Looks
It
cute.
is not
Oil
paint.
pastels.
That's why I recommend oil pastels. They look like
Oil.
paint. They look like acrylic paint.
Oh
But
my
you know
God,
what?
they look so beautiful.
This drawing, please try and recreate in a canvas using acrylic paint. It will look fabulous.
Okay.
See,
Yeah,
that's why
looks
this is the sky
lovely.
I'm going to do. It has to look like there's a bit of sand and then this golden color all around.
Well, I'm gonna put a few things like that. Black. I just need a ruler for that.
So we are actually done with the drawing. We're going to move on to the coloring. Ta-da! This makes me so happy every single time I open it. By the way, I ended up breaking a few
Sangeeta,
of my
can I
crayons.
see the picture again?
Sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
It's stunning.
I'm still on the face of the third lady, so please.
Take your time. Take your time. We have lots of time.
Okay, then you do that, and then that. Okay.
'Cause my family's gone on for a run, so nobody's going to demand chai or something to eat anyway. So I'm so happy. They both
I
said
thought Anand brings it for you.
he usually does, but today he said I'm going to take her to the track to run. Do you want to come? I said nope. I have a date with my friends, and then he said okay, bye. I have a date with the track. They both went.
Keep the eraser here.
Well, upper side. You'll not keep it in between you. I know it. Been there, done that. I'm taking off my glasses.
I have to admit,
Yeah.
I can only look into people's mouths, not draw them.
No, you can draw. You just don't know how good you are. Yeah, you're so funny.
That was a good one, Meera.
I don't know how you do the looking into people's mouth part. I can't even imagine. Oh, that breath.
Very easy.
It's not, it's very queasy. It's not easy.
Yeah. Don't understand
Math.
queasy or easy, both.
Yeah.
Mask Zindabad.
Mask Zindabad, I know. But the problem is now people are all wearing masks. We don't know what they're doing behind the mask. When they take off the mask, they're all going to look like monkeys doing all weird stuff. Like my daughter had a dance class. She had to go in-person class one day just for her. So I had to take her and she was dancing with her mask on. Then I suddenly looked at the dance teacher and I said, do you know what she's doing behind the mask? He said, no, take off the mask. I want to see that face. You never know what she's doing. So I wonder, I don't know what my 3-year-old kids in my class, they do behind the mask, but they definitely come back saying the mask is very wet, Miss Sangeeta. Know what they're doing.
For me, I have no option but take it off.
I know. Yeah,
What, how do you do, Meera?
Look what I added behind.
I'm masked. They don't, but they can be.
Look
Yeah,
what
they
I
can-
added behind.
That's a point. How can they have a mask when she has to check their teeth?
Look what I added
Yeah.
behind.
Let me see. I'm coming. I got to scroll. It's like I have to walk. Oh, nice. I like it. You added a sun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't add anything else. We got to start coloring now.
Okay.
Everybody's here. Everybody's done with the third phase. Third phase.
Yes.
Kind of.
Okay, I'm going to start with the middle one. So I'm going to take my brown. I'm going to take my one of the darkest browns that I have. Let me see what's it called. Van Dyke brown. Those who have the Pentel oil pastel, it's still called Van Dyke brown.
So take
உட்காந்துட்டே தேடு பரவாயில்ல.
Like, கண்ணு தெரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது. நீ வேற லைட் வேண்டி. எங்க பாக்குற நேம்? I don't even know where the names are.
You take your crayon and you have the pentel ones, right? The pentel ones will have it at the
Yeah.
bottom. You need Bhuta Kannadi to read it though.
Forget it. The normal glass only I can read. Forget it. You tell me the color, I'll try to match with the screen.
It's the see Van Dyke brown is very easy to match. It's almost close to mahogany, but it's not mahogany yet. That's the thing. Van Dyke brown is the
Okay.
closest.
Yeah, I think I got it.
Yeah. So with that, what I'll do is trace the face. Use the edge. Use a very thin edge. Lightly trace the face. I hear somebody scribbling coloring. Who is it? Kind of giving me
But
a mini
me, yeah.
panic attack. Like that. I'm going to leave the face alone. That is the last thing that I'm going to do. I'm going to take this middle lady is going to have shades of blue. Wonderful, wonderful blue. I'm going to take my helio blue red. This is called helio blue. You will not have pentel people will not have helio blue. You can take a Prussian blue maybe or ultramarine blue. Prussian blue or ultramarine. Pick one of those. And then you trace the lines of the sari. Now I am doing the scribbling coloring thing. So you can look at my page now. See, these have to be in layers. So I'm just oddly putting colors wherever I feel like. Don't have the same colors or the same shade next to each other.
Sangeeta, what's your advice? I don't seem to have the colors. Oil pastels are too old, so I'm using color pencils. Any tips that I need to remember?
Yeah, the same process. Don't press too hard. That's it.
Okay.
Don't press too hard and leave a little gap when you color. Like don't burnish the entire thing. You understand what I mean by burnishing? That don't have it so close that you can't add any other color into it. So leave a little bit of white spots in between your lines, like how I'm drawing right now. Just look at what I'm doing. So just do that so that you can fill color in between. So it will give you more texture. Another thing with oil pastels is when you color, don't put your wrist down. Keep it up. Because if you put your wrist down, you'll get color on your whatever this thing is. And then you'll get it all over the page.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
What blue is that you're using right now?
Right now I'm using, I think it's ultramarine. Let me see. Just give me a second. It is cobalt blue.
Cobalt?
Cobalt, C-O-B-A-L-T.
Thank you.
Welcome. See this thing that's happening, these color flakes that keep falling off, that's called pilling because I have enough color on the page and there is no more place for the color to sit on. So it starts flaking off. So that's called pilling. So what you do is you just roll your crayon over it and it gets stuck back on the thing. I'm such a conjuice, I won't waste that also.
Good. That's how it should be.
Yeah, I am a little frugal when it comes to these things. I mean, art supplies are expensive, man.
Yeah, not cheap.
Not cheap at all.
Hey Manju, I mean, if you have old crayon, that's what I'm doing is I'm cutting the tip off with a knife. Then it's
It
good
becomes
inside.
edgy. It becomes very sharp and edgy, right?
Yeah.
I don't even
And
do
any
that. What I
dry
do
part
is,
goes away.
yeah, what I do is, if it is a blunt part and I want it a little flatter, like to get the edge, I hold the crayon like this and then rub it really hard where I want some color on, and then I get an edge on the other end.
Oh.
So that way, when I cut it, I don't lose it. I mean, I won't cut it and lose it. See, I have like 5 shades of blue in it, and that's what makes it layered. Then I take my black and lightly go over a few lines here to make sure this folds again. You see how much depth we got just by adding that black line around it?
So you took a black and then went around it. Is that what you did?
Just lightly,
The
very
highlight.
lightly. My black barely touched the page.
Okay.
And I'm adding some silver. For those who don't have a silver, you can use a gray on the sari, which goes over the blouse, that to show that's the zari border on it.
What's a zari?
Zari is like if you're wearing a nice sari, it has that golden thing on it, shiny, shiny thing. Amma has saris with shiny things on it. That's a zari. See, I'm coloring that place in between the sari and the neck in black, thereby just showing that there is hair there. She doesn't have to be an egghead with just the sari around her head. See, does that look like hair? Kind of.
It kind of looks like the inside of a dress or hoodie.
Yep, exactly. That's what it's supposed to be.
What did he say?
It looks like the inside of a
Inside
hoodie.
of hoodie.
You know what? You can compare.
Whatever he understands, that makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Whatever he
Has
can
to compare
relate.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, so he can relate it to a hoodie. That's perfect.
He knows a hoodie. Yeah.
Hmm.
Instead of understanding what does it look inside a sari. I feel like this lady is not wearing a blouse. I'm going to give another pencil line here.
Okay,
Just to show
madam.
that she's
I'm going to show you my thing. Doesn't look
Show
like
me.
my third lady is very happy.
That's okay. She doesn't have much space there. That's why she looks a little upset. Don't worry, Meera.
She's kind
She's
of
squashed to the
cramping into
edge.
the picture.
She's squashed. She's like pushing them away to stand a little bit. She's like, I need to be in the photograph. So I added a blouse on this side a little bit, and I'm going to give it the ochre brown color. I don't know why I love the ochre brown along with blue. See, does that look like a blouse? Raghu, I gave the lady a blouse. Did you see that?
What did you say? What did you saw the blouse?
Yeah,
What color blouse did I give her?
I'm black.
A black.
What color is this?
I need a
I don't know.
What color is this?
Brown
Your
blouse.
auntie is brown. Brown, Raghav.
Hey, wait a second. I
Yeah.
have brown in here. I
You
have
have brown in
brown
there?
in here.
Give Amma a brown then. Amma needs a brown.
There's some.
Take a brown.
So for the face, I'll be using a peach color. Those who have Pentel oil pastel, use the light pale, what's it called? Light pale pink, pale light pink, no, pale orange, light pale orange.
Brown.
Very good.
Pale orange. Okay.
Pale orange. Find the pale
Not
orange.
black.
Yep. Then use the flat side of the peach and gently color it. Try not to get the blue into it. It's okay if you leave a little bit of space. Just adds to the mystery. And try not to get anything inside the eye. Get in between the eye and get in the eyelid, but try not to get anything inside the eye because the pupils are not
It's
peach in
looking
color.
so cool. And Sangeeta, peach only is the best color here. That's my peach. Once ever I wanted to use peach. I got it. Peachy peach. Oh, I'm right here.
Did you find it?
Once I thought the peach will never be used.
Yes, see? It gets used a lot.
You want to color the peach? Raghav, take that.
In some color boxes, it's called the flesh tint. So it looks very flat right now, but our job is to make her look a little more rounded than the 2D picture. So after you're done this, we'll add more depth, more life into her skin. So what I do is I just take a little bit of the ochre brown and go around there just lightly. Not even ochre brown. Let me just take the regular brown.
Sangeeta, did you take black crayon and line the eyes and nose?
Not
You
yet.
did?
That's
you
still
did.
my pencil. Yeah.
Okay.
Can I take back for the gloves?
See, it gives more depth when you do that. You see her face looks more rounded now instead of being flat on the paper. And don't forget to color the inside the nose ring also.
You're very fast and nice. I am very slow.
Take your time. Take your time. It took me this many years to become this fast. Please take your sweet time. Please take your own sweet aram se. Aramagamadu.
Ramagamadu.
I can't say that in Telugu though.
No worries, neither can I.
I can say in Kannada though. I can say in Kannada.
Actually, Manju might
What
be
is
able
the
to.
color?
I speak Kannada better than I can speak Telugu. So in Tamil, பொறுமையா பண்ணு in Tamil. In Hindi, it will be aram se karo.
Hey, for the
In
face,
Malayalam?
what color you used? Pale what? Pale brown or pale orange?
Pale orange, light pale orange.
Pale
There should
orange.
be two pale oranges. One is really light.
Pale orange. This is a light. Which was lighter? Both look identical. Yes, I got it.
You got it? See, I don't even have that box, but I'm so used to using it. I know all their names.
Hmm.
You use the color for her outline still or no?
Color. I'm using a black crayon now.
Okay. I have
So
a
if
black.
what you do is see if it is blunt like this. I use the blunt side. It looks like she's wearing a lot of heavy kajal right now, like she's ready for the
Yep.
disco or something. Use
Yep.
the other end.
Okay.
She looks less of a gaon wali ladki. She looks more of a disco person now.
Sangeeta, I have a little problem. While I was coloring, that light color crayon touched the blue and it put some blue on her inside face. How do I take it out?
Is it too much blue or just a tiny bit blue?
Just tiny bit blue.
Then leave it. Then leave it. Just leave it. Ignore it. She can get dirty. She's a human being after all.
Okay.
If you think your crayons are a little too blunt, use the other end of the crayon for the edge. See, I use this side to do the lips. So the lips look better than her eyes right now.
Yeah, but the thing is, mine both are the same on both sides.
Yeah, then what you do is do what I do. Just break the crayon into two. You'll still get an edge.
Okay.
You either do that or you break it into two.
Oh, that's why I have so many pieces in my.
Somebody would have broken it.
Makes sense.
For the edges, people keep breaking it. See?
Okay.
Sangeeta, that's Appu's.
Oh, wait, I'm coming. Oh, Appu, that looks very beautiful. Appu, I love the coloring. It's very beautiful.
Can we see? Hold on.
Wait, let me come to you. Oh, it's very nice.
Thank you,
मीरा तेरा हो गया?
Sangeeta.
नहीं अभी शुरू किया है.
ठीक है, आराम से कर.
I just started with the blues.
That's
I'm
okay.
still very, very blue.
Very nice. That's very nice. Go ahead. She looks like she has funky hair right now.
Looks like she's
Right?
a punk.
How do I
She's
do
a
that?
punk rock.
thing?
See, my eyes and your blue will make her a punk rock star.
Right now she looks like she has my hair. Only in blue.
So I don't know how to correct mine. It's become like a ghost with a mud
Where are you?
mask.
Wait. I'm coming.
Wherever you see a ghost with a mud mask.
She looks fine. She actually Oh, you made a little dark. That's fine. You can take your peach and go over on the edges to give it a little more curvature instead of looking so flat. So she has more tan skin. She probably lives in Rajasthan. Who knows? She's been baking
Yes,
under the
correct
sun for so
color.
long.
Yeah. Why we peach color are white people color?
Yeah. So mine is not baking in the sun because she's been putting that cloth over her face too long. She's not tanning.
Sunscreen.
Yeah. Yours has not been putting her ghungat properly. She needs to talk to her father-in-law right now.
Oh my God, I have a colleague. She used to say the same. She goes to India, she'll be like, I've been ghungat for the next 2 weeks.
Yeah. Yep. I have friends who still do that. And I mean, I have nothing against it. It's their choice, but it's a very nice thing to do too. It's showing respect to their culture, whatever. So this lady is almost done. I have to figure out a way to give her a
So the
picture.
eyes and everything, the nose, did you use a marker to outline it?
Nope, I used my black crayon.
How did you
Use
get
the-
it? So
Yeah,
Use
that's,
the
that's
other
what
end,
is
Ma.
very
You-
tricky. It
See,
can't
let me
do it.
tell you.
It's just
You-
getting too
No,
thick.
it's not tricky.
I know.
Bare, Amita, the bare, I'm going to show you. Use the
Yeah.
other end. Okay. First, use the other end, the end that
Okay.
you have never used. Okay. Secondly,
Okay.
don't put it flat. Keep it on the edge. Use just these two fingers. Keep these other fingers away and gently
Okay.
roll your crayon. When you see, I'm going to roll this crayon. See how thin it comes. See how thin that comes? You can
Yeah.
barely see my lines.
Right.
Yeah, just roll the crayon. Don't drag it. Roll it.
Oh, just roll it. Okay.
Yeah,
Got it.
roll it.
Let
It'll
me
give you
try.
thin lines.
Sure. Let me try it. Interesting.
I have a lot of lip oil pastels with
Cool.
broken
Mhm.
and
Okay.
ones that have no cover.
That's okay. So if you show it to me, I can tell you what color it is. Let me come back to your screen. Okay, 1 second. Show me the color. Come as close to the camera as possible.
Okay, 1 minute.
Mhm.
What is this color?
Come close to it. That's the reddish brown. What do you call it? It's like the terracotta brown. Let me find its name. It's Venetian red. It can be called Venetian red. In some boxes, it's called ketchup brown. Isn't that a funny name?
Yeah.
So I'm going to give these ladies a pottu in the end, fag end. Right now, I'm just going to do the next lady. My next lady is going to have a combination of red, orange, and pink. So I'm going to start with my favorite one. That is a red violet. I love this color. It's very close to the plum lipstick that I have. And then
Sangeeta,
yeah,
இந்த பாட்டும் வந்து first lady தானே? In
I
this
think
part.
they're
wait,
putting some red. What is
Yeah,
that
chalo,
color
in the part-
called again?
In the part.
yeah, it can be any ladies. It
Lady.
doesn't matter. That's the thing. That's the beauty. You can give, if you give red color, it will be the other ladies. If you give her blue color, it will belong to this lady. It's all fill in the blanks.
What color is that?
This I'm using a red violet. It's called a red
Red
violet. It's very close to a magenta.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And when you have to color a larger area, try to use your crayon as flat as possible so that you'll start getting those edges to use for later.
And the question, Sangeeta, can we mix oil pastels with colored pencils too?
Yeah, you can. But what the thing is, the color pencils have a very thin texture. So the oil pastel will overpower it. So you will not see as much of oil pastel. Yeah, you will not see much of your color pencils when you do that.
But I don't have ink when you use it.
Yeah, mixing color pencils with markers is a brilliant idea though.
Correct.
So you give a little bit of the base with the marker, then you can add texture, add depth with your color pencils.
Got it.
But you can
Okay, I
make
have
it
one more quick question.
Okay, Manju had a question.
The
Go ahead,
black color. Oh, Manju
Yeah.
asked a question. Manju,
No,
finish.
no,
quick,
no. Amita, ask. Go ahead.
Okay. Do the black color you put for her hair at the background that you do last after doing the earrings?
Yeah, you do it after the earrings. Yes, preferably.
Okay.
See, what happens is why we draw these, why did we outline first? The outline kind of reminds us not to go out of it. So your hand doesn't tend to go beyond that line. So that's how you don't spread it to the other side.
Mine is coming out.
Let me see. Wait, I'm coming. Let me come back to you. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's that purple you're using?
Right now I'm using middle purple pink. I don't know if you have the same crayons. But if you are using the pentel oil ones, please use the rose pink, rose red, something like that. Rosewood, I don't know. You know, it's called, wait, what rose? Rose madder. If only I could remember the other things like this, like where I keep my keys. Like the names of the colors that I can remember.
Passion and interest.
Yep.
No,
that's true.
because the color name doesn't change. Key's location keeps changing.
I know, right?
There you go.
Yeah.
That's a good point.
The short-term memory, long-term memory.
Exactly.
That's why I remember grandma used to say, put the things back where it should be.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I do. The rest of the family doesn't.
Then
They should-
that's your problem then.
Yeah, they should have a vaccine for that also. Put the things back in the right places.
Vaccine for the keys or for the human beings?
For the human beings, obviously.
To remember.
Or forgetful human beings.
Yeah. Or maybe they can invent something for them. You can ask them to invent something.
Yep. Madhavi isn't here. I could have asked her to talk to her company.
Madhavi has a lot of work to do. Ramesh has asked her to find a liquid plumber to remove the clog from the arteries.
From batteries, huh?
From the arteries.
Oh, arteries. Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Every time he asks, is the medicine ready? Is the medicine ready? You will ask. You just do something so that it will remove the clog from your arteries.
Yeah, then no heart attacks.
No,
Don't eat stuff that
You don't
causes
need-
all the clogs. It's like
Hereditary
remember
you
not
can't
to.
avoid that.
Yeah, it's like remember not to dump so much toilet paper into the toilet. It's the exact same funda.
Interesting.
You dump paper, it gets clogged. You
Oh,
have to call the
that
plumber.
is red and pink. Okay, I just finished my blue lady. Now
That's
we need
okay.
to do the other lady.
Marker is coming out better for the lines.
Yeah. But what it will do is it will give you a very cartoony effect if you give markers.
Markers, huh? Otherwise, I
Yeah.
can have to go bring my eyeliner and do it.
Illa, parvala. Use whatever supplies you have in your hand. Absolutely no issues.
Whatever I can reach, I'm getting. I found something called a T-shirt mask marker.
Oh, that's a fabric marker. That's a very good one.
Anything and everything.
But if you use it on a paper, then it will not work as well on fabric. That's another thing to know.
Yeah.
खुशी इतनी सी हंसी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनको सा चल बनाए आशियाना.
I think the last lady is gonna be yellow.
She can be yellow, but mine is green. If you want her to be yellow, you can do yellow, but I don't want yellow because I want the sky to be a little yellow.
Okay.
Okay, the camera, did it change direction? Okay, never
Sorry,
mind.
that was my head. I am so sorry.
Okay.
The mop that I call my hair.
I was just wondering what happened to the girl's hair.
Yeah,
Not your hair.
yeah. The Scotch Brite that I call my hair came in the way. Those who don't have gold color, you can use ochre yellow. It comes out like gold.
Huh?
A combination of ochre yellow and ochre brown comes out looking like gold.
Green earring.
Sangeeta, need to drop off.
Why? Oh, you have class. Okay.
It's already 5:30.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
And I kind of messed up, so I have to redraw the whole thing.
Okay.
So
Those who have to go can go. No issues, no pressure.
make sure that you send picture from both sides of the page.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Hari Om. Have fun.
Hari Om.
Finji.
Hi.
Hari Om.
Wow, I didn't realize it was so late.
Yeah, even I didn't realize it was so late. I was thinking it would be like 5:05, 5:10 or something, not more than that. This is quite a big picture. That's another thing too. It's quite a lot of details.
Women are involved. There will be details.
Obviously.
I'm almost done.
He's almost done. I know he's smart.
My blue lady is going to wear 2 shades of blue. Her
Very good.
sari has 2 shades of blue.
My sari has 5 shades of blue. There you go.
Well,
Hey,
that's what happens.
Sangeeta, can I stop recording or can I still do it? What is the deal?
You can record. No,
Huh?
if you don't want to finish it today, we can leave it as is and come back next week. I'm fine with
Yeah,
that
that's a
too.
good idea.
I think that'll be better.
Yeah.
Can we?
Sure. You stop recording and then let them know.
I'm done.
He is done.
Wow.
Show me that.
Oh wow.
So next week,
Sangeeta,
no, the
yours
thing is next week Dash will have
amazing.
nothing to do. Oh, beautiful Dash. I love it.
Awesome, Dash.
He wrote
So
everything.
cute.
Oh my goodness, he's
He
fast.
drew everything. He colored everything. He's super smart.
Show.